Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK. In this video, we're going to change a door seal at MAYTAG front load washer. This washer have a front door seal broken really bad. Anytime we wash, water leak through. If you look at your washer is leaking water and the door seal is a little bit damaged or anything, then time to replace. You can follow this video step by step how to replace, and you can easily access to seal and replace it. Step 1, we're gonna disconnect main power. Then at front, we're gonna disconnect main door removing those 2 screws. And other side, we need to remove those 2 screws too as well. And this panel will come out. And as it come out here under one more screw, both end we need to disconnect, and also we need to disconnect a soap dispenser to pick up this front top so we can access to seal. I disconnect main door already, and now you can easily pull and pick up side panel. Then we will remove 4 screws using Phillips screwdriver, and we'll remove soap dispenser from top. Once we remove a soap dispenser, now we can easily pick it up top portion, and we have access to door seal to release. As I'm bringing my camera close, you can see the door seal is tied with spring and one wire around it. When we disconnecting, we need to make sure we use all safety precaution, because this spring can pop up easily. It can hit your eyes or it can hit your face. You can use needle nose plier or similar tool to remove this spring. Then we can pull seal from front. You can see there's a little spots where seal was stuck, and now we're gonna disconnect the drain. Any excess water and seal go through that drain. We're gonna disconnect, and we can remove this seal, and now we have access and we can put a new seal. Depend on your model, you can buy seal from a local store or you can buy from online. I tried to make this video smallest as much as I can do, so I fast forward some of the steps. So I put a drain back on the seal, then seal on door. It took me a little while to put it on. It's not easy. It's better if you can ask second person to give you hand. It will be more easy. Otherwise, you have to put more efforts to put it on, and it will work. Once you install seal, now time to close door, and we're gonna put all the parts back as mannered we removed. We are installing back soap dispenser using those 4 screws we removed, and then we're gonna tighten top cover, putting those 2 screws back under the cover we removed. And now we're ready for front plate. To put it back, you just pop in, and we're gonna put all screws. First we're gonna put left side 2 screws, because right side 2 screws we have to install door with those 2 screws. As we put the doors and all the stuff back, we ready to test, and we will plug back in, and as soon as you press start button, it will work. You can throw some clothes and you can test. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.